Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this Braville espresso machine after replacing the O-rings on the steam boiler. But the machine needs tune-up, needs to replace the group head gasket and the diffuser, and it needs a lot of work. But the customer decided to do some by himself, so I just fixed the leak because it was leaking heavily and dripped the tray. Let's go ahead and test it. It's not leaking anymore. The shower screen on it and the diffuser also, it's not Braville. It works, but it's not in a perfect way. It needs to be replaced with the original one. Okay, thank you for watching.